Hello students, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a GATE 2021 question from the subject programming asked for 2 marks. Coming to the question, consider the ANSYS C function. The function is given int sum function and it is taking 2 parameters x and y, and here some program logic is mentioned. The question is the returned value of the function sum function of 15 comma 255. Now what it is going to return? Sum function of 15 comma 255. Here I am calling the sum function is SF of 15 comma 255. Now here when this function is called, 50 is copied into x. Now the value of x equal to 15 and the value of y equal to 255. And this program is going to be executed, that is if x equal to 1 false, if both x and y are equal false, if x greater than y false, if y greater than x is true. Why? Because the value of y 255 is greater than value of x, that is 15, so that it is going to call the function sum function of x comma y minus x. It means it is going to call sum function of x comma x is 15 comma y minus x, that is 255 minus 15, this is 240. Again it is going to call sum function with parameters 15 and 240. 15 is going to copy into x value and 240 is copied into y. Again x equal to 1 false, x equal to y false, x greater than y false, and y greater than x is true. Because y greater than x is true, again it is going to call SF function, that is sum function with values x, that is 15 comma y minus x, 240 minus 15, which is equals to 225. So here you can observe every time it is calling SF function with values x comma y minus x. Why? Because here always y is greater than x. Because y is greater than x, this condition is going to be executed, because this condition is returning some function of x comma y minus x. So means on every recursive function call, the x is subtracted from y. So next time when it is called, it is 225 minus 15, that is 210. So next time it is some function of 15 comma 210 minus 15, this is 195. Next time some function of 15 comma 195 minus 15, that is 180. Next some function of 15 comma 180 minus 15, this is 165. Then some function of 15 comma 150 and some function of 15 comma 135, some function of 15 comma 120, some function of 15 comma 105, some function of 15 comma 90, some function of 15 comma 75, some function of 15 comma 60, some function of 15 comma 45, some function of 15 comma 30, and again it is calling y is greater than x still, so some function of 15 comma 15. Here you observe what is the value of x, 15, what is the value of y, 15. Now x and y values are 15 and 15 respectively. Because x and y values are 15 comma 15 respectively, x equal to y condition is true, that x equal to 1 condition false, x greater than y condition false, y greater than x condition false. So only one condition is true, that is x equal to y is true. It is going to return the value of x. What is the value of x? The value of x is 15. Now it is going to return 15 to all the called functions, from here to here to here until to this calling function. So what is the returned value of this function SF of 15 comma 255? It is going to be 15. So answer for this question is 15. 15 is the answer for the question. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.